girl Bessie. I hope you guys are staying fabulous. Yay! I'm now a mommy. Alright guys, today is not for that. We're going to talk about it in another video. But a quick ado, I just want to make one of Nigerian's popular snacks. And this is just to have at home because man, it's not every time one will have energy with the sleepless night to come and making food in the morning. Without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. I'm just going to show you guys the ingredients I'll be using in this video. And number one stack is our flour. I might use 1.5 or I might use 1 because actually 1 looks much, so I'll use 1 maybe. Let's just go ahead though. And I already diced my Irish potato. I used 2 large ones. You're gonna see that, which you saw earlier. And I just have a little onions and then carrots. I'm sure you already guessed what we're making by now, right? And then we have butter and we have salt, we have seasoning. This is seasoning cubes, curry, our baking powder. Here our baking powder, sorry I'm a bit fast. And then we have ground hot pepper. You can use the normal habanero one, the fresh one if you want, depending on your taste, but this is what I have now, so I'm going to use this one. And we have our minced meat here. Then I have my bowl for mixture. Then I have a cup. Don't worry, you'll know what this cup is for as we continue the video. All right, I'm not going to take much of your time. My oil is already heating in the pan, so we'll just, sorry I'm using a big pot. I wanted to use this, but I feel it's going to be small and it won't give me enough space to stir, so that's why I'm using this big pot. So I'm just going to go in with the onions. Alright guys, in the course of this video I will be making it a little bit slow in some parts so that you will get the measurement of ingredients that I'm using. And I allowed my onions to steam for a little bit, then put in my minced meat, my knorr cube. I added 3 knorr cubes. I don't know if I still have the clip here, but just keep watching guys. Yeah, just keep stirring and stirring until it turns like, until the bloody part just disappears somehow, you get. Then I'll go in with my diced Irish potatoes. Make sure you dice them really tiny. That's another good secret too, to having a nice meat pie. You wouldn't want to see chunky big Irish potatoes inside your meat pie. I mean, what's the essence of it being called meat pie, right? All right guys, I keep stirring and I keep stirring. And yeah, one more thing guys, you add salt. Yeah, some people tend to forget salt because they feel that okay, maybe the mixture of the dough will be a bit different. And just keep watching. I'm talking too much. So guys, I had to add pepper because the one I added wasn't enough. I wanted more. I wanted it spicy. If you cannot tolerate it being too spicy, put it according to how you want it. So yeah, I stir it and then I add some water. The reason for this water being like this is because you wouldn't want your filling to be too dry. It won't be nice at all. You want it juicy and nice. You get me? Keep watching. So after I changed my bowl, because the other bowl was little, I had to go in with another half pack of flour because the first one I put is not going to be enough. I wouldn't want to be mixing flour every day because obviously I don't have time. I'm a nursing mother. Hello. So do it according to how you can finish it. Don't go and make too much meat pie and put inside fridge. Or yo, what's love for you? Anyway, keep watching guys. So yeah, I wasn't done with the filling, which is the meat. It was cooking on a low heat. So I went in with flour, 2 tablespoons of flour. I mixed it with normal water and watched the consistency. This is how the consistency should be. If you have corn flour, you can use that as well. That can serve you as a thickener. Make sure it's not too much. I added it to the meat and then allow it to keep cooking on a low heat for the water to go down a little bit. Then I went back to the flour. I'm multitasking. Some people do their filling first before they go to flour, or they do their flour before the filling. I had to multitask because I wouldn't want my baby to wake up and I'm still on this. So keep watching to see the measurement of the butter and how the mixture is going to look like. So guys, I'm mixing the flour and the butter. Make sure everything is well mixed and everything dissolves along with the flour. Mix 2 eggs. I mixed it well and then added it to the mixture. Make sure not to add too much things. It tends to make it, I don't know, but just watch the ingredients and everything, all right? So I just mix this together, and then another thing again is make sure to try as much as possible not to add too much water. It's not puff puff, okay? Just 1 cup of water is okay, and you're going to add it bit by bit until you get the consistency you want. If I was mixing this thing and then the cup of water was too much, I got the consistency, I'm going to stop. So you need to watch out for the consistency as well, because I think flours differs in different countries, okay? Some absorb water quickly while some don't. I just noticed that. That's another secret I've noticed. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on a clean surface because I want everything to be knitted in together really well. Make sure not to overwork your dough. Just do this in a circular motion, not too hard. You're not fighting with the flour. It's not beating you. You cannot be beating the flour, okay? Don't fight with it. Just slowly and slowly and slowly. All right, guys. Just keep watching. I'm gonna put this inside the fridge for like 30 minutes. I'll let it sit there. Not freezer, not freezer, fridge. Put it in the fridge, normal place, and then leave it there for 30 minutes while it stays there. Do you want to know why? It also helps to enhance the softness and succulence and everything of your meat pie. I'm talking too much, like say I'm talking about food. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this with this cling film and I'll put it in the fridge. So keep watching. Alright guys, I had to put my filling inside a bowl because I want it to cool off and I don't have time. I'm like counting down. Today happens to be my very lucky day that my baby is still sleeping and I'm doing all this. I even had time to video. Glory be to Jesus. Alright, if you don't have a baking sheet like this, you can just go in with butter on your baking pan. I'm giving you kitchen hacks now for free of charge. You can put enough you can put butter, just rubbing butter on your pan and my oven is already heating as it says on 150. Don't make your oven heat on a very high heat, please. So I'm going to beat 1 egg inside my popular cup and then put my brush. Then yeah, I brought up my flour that has been in the fridge for 30 minutes and we're just going to cut it into bit by bit to get our sizable meat pie, depending on how you want it. If you want it tiny, you cut it tiny. If you want it big, you cut it big. All right. Oh God, I wish you guys can feel the texture of this flour. It's so soft. I could already eat it right now. Oh my goodness. Are you still there? Just go buy your flour and go and start making meat pie. All right. Just keep watching, guys. We're going to go through the process again on how to see your meat pie. The egg I beat, I just used my brush to put a little bit of amount just on the downside, and then seal it. This helps your meat pie not to open when it's in the oven. And then I use the fork to press it in. If you have the meat pie rolling thing that helps you to just seal everything at once, make sure to use that, but make sure you put egg as well to seal it. You can't just put it there and it's going to seal automatically. All right, yeah, my first batch is ready, and that will be all for this video. Please don't let your meat pie burn. You won't like the taste like that. Let it be this golden brown, not too brownish, but yeah, you can see it from the video. All right guys, just enjoy the rest of it. Bye. And here we have our juicy meat pie. See guys. All right guys, let me know what you would like to see in my next video. What would you like me to make? And yeah, I'll let you guys know. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, we have a gist, long gist. Okay, we have long gist to us. Don't worry guys, I just have a gist for you. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, share, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. See you guys, bye.